Hi guys, I'm Prishita Pathak. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the makeups that I own, my makeup collection, and I'm going to be reviewing some products in today's video. So if you are interested in that, please keep watching. So the products that I'm going to review is this. First product is this. This is a Swiss Beauty primer, and it is a really nice primer and it gives you a dewy finish. So yeah, it's a good primer. And the next product that I bought was this Nykaa's highlighter and Nykaa's bronzer. So this product is nice as well. The highlighter is really nice and the bronzer is nice as well. I don't know, I think so. I don't know how to use it because when I use it with my brush, the product doesn't really comes out on the brush. So then I use it with my finger. So I really need to rub my finger like this onto it, onto the bronzer. And then very little product comes out though. But it's fine. I guess I don't know how to use it because it works like everyone. I've seen it, many people use it, so I guess I'm not doing it right. But yeah, anyway, it is nice. The next product that I bought was this facial razor. It is really nice. It really gets rid of any facial hair. It exfoliates your skin and it really makes your skin soft. And this packet comes with 3 facial remover, a hair remover. So they look like this and they are foldable, so it is like this. They open like this. So this is the way how you do it. Don't overdo it because it might cut. First time when I used it, I had a cut right here. It was really little bit and it is healed now, which has only, so when I got the cut, it has only been like 2-3 days till now and it is healed. So yeah, it's a good thing. But yeah, it might cut, so use carefully. It comes with 3 razors like this. 3 razors like this. One is my mom took one and I have 2 right now. So yeah, these were all the products that I bought recently, and yeah. So the foundations that I own are 2 foundations. I own 2 foundations. This first one is Lakme CC Cream. No, it is really nice. I can literally wear it anywhere. It's amazing product. And then I have this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which is nice product, but I think so this shade is a little darker for me, but yeah, it is nice as well. Then moving on to the concealer, I have this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 10 Light. And then this is a mascara that I have. This is a Faces Canada's mascara. And I also have a Maybelline mascara. It's a Maybelline Sensational mascara, which is I don't know where I think so, it's with my mom, so yeah. Then I have a compact powder. This one. It's from Blue Heaven. I don't know. Yeah, it's from Blue Heaven. Yeah, it is from Blue Heaven. Everything is erased from it. Not that I have used it that much. No, it's not really empty. Like, let me show you. It's like this much left, and still from its container everything is erased. So yeah, anyway, it's from Blue Heaven. It works really fine for me, so I guess that's fine for me. The next product that I have are, of course, eyeshadows. So I have like 3 eyeshadow palettes. This is the first palette that I own. It says it's of Huda Beauty, but it is a cheap one. No, it's not really of Huda Beauty. It is. I bought it from Amazon, like when I was, 1 or 2 years ago. I bought this. So at that time I was like, wow, I really needed a Huda Beauty palette or something like that. So something fancy, and it is really very, very expensive. So I just bought this because I was a kid and I was really like, I wanted some fancy thing. But this palette is so good. Like, the colors in it are really pigmented and it's so good. It is not that cheap also. It is like 400 rupees, I think so, which is really good. The next palette that I have is this Swiss Beauty palette. So my best friend gave it to me on my birthday. She gifted me this, and the colors in it are so good, literally. Like, it is nude. Like, I literally wear very, minimal makeup, and this palette is literally so good for me. I like mostly wear these colors. So yeah, I really like this palette. The next palette that I own is this Nika's. I recently bought it. I showed a review of it also. I reviewed it on my channel. So yeah, this is a nice palette. I mean, the colors are not really like so super bright, super pigmented, but yeah, it's nice. It is good according to its price range. This palette is nice. Next I have this blush. It is a Maybelline blush, color something, I don't know. Everything is gone from this container as well. It got written on it on the back side. It is Maybelline Color Show Blush. So yeah, this is a cute blush. Like, literally I could carry it anywhere, and I like blushes a lot. Next I have are these two beauty blenders, of course, for blending the foundation and the concealer. So yeah, I have these two beauty blenders, and I didn't bought them online. I just randomly bought them from a store. Then I have this makeup brushes, which are like random. Like, my mom bought these. Like, these two makeup brushes are for eyeshadow. It's all like this, just black, nothing is written on it. This is a brush for, blush or something. Yeah, so nothing is written on it. So I don't really know. But yeah, my mom bought it. And the blush brush, this one, it is really good. And the quality of it is good. And this little brush is from Naked palette. I don't know. But yeah, it was not cheap. So yeah. My mom bought these two brushes together. This fluffy one and this one. And then this brush, I recently bought it from Amazon. So, but nothing is written on it. But it's a really good brush. Like, it has two sides. You can literally blend it with this side, blend the eyeshadow, and then put the glitter or some kind of eyeshadow from this, whatever you want to put it on your eyelid, and then blend with this. So yeah, these were all the brushes that I own. Then I have this white colored kajal pencil. This is not a new one, this is a really old one. And then I have this black kajal. This from Faces Canada. I bought the kajal and the mascara together. So yeah, they were in a combo. This. And I bought these and I bought something more of Faces Canada. So I got a free lipstick. Like, let me show you the lipstick. Wait. I got this lipstick from Faces Canada after I bought this combo. So I got this lipstick for free. And this was like not cheap. It would not be cheap if I went and I bought it. I mean, it is pretty expensive. And I got it for free, which was really a good deal. And for the eyeliner, I have these two eyeliners. One is black and one is blue. These are like Lakme, of course. These are classic Lakme eyeliners. I mostly keep all my liquid stuff in the fridge. So I have like a different box for it. And I also keep my nail pins into it because they are liquid. So next I'm going to show you all the lipsticks that I own. My lipstick collection are more of a liquid lipsticks, then crayon, and this cute lipstick, and yeah, also a nude lipstick because everyone should have a nude lipstick. So there are so many. So yeah, I own so many lipsticks. I love lipsticks. It makes your face look instantly colorful or something. I also have this eyelashes, pack of eyelashes, but no, I don't know. I know how to, apply it, but the glue isn't coming out. So yeah. Anyway, I never use them, but I own them. So I keep it with the collection. So before I bought this highlighter and bronzer, I had this highlighter, which is a nice highlighter really. To be honest, it really works nicely. So here is the eyebrow pencil that I own. I completely forgot to mention about it in the video. So I'm just putting a clip of my eyebrow pencil that I own here. And then for setting the makeup, I literally have just this Mari Pathak. It can be used as a skincare and it can be used as a makeup setting spray also. So I have just this. So yeah, those were all the makeup products that I own. These were my makeup collections. I hope you like it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, bye. See you in the next video.